Many of you are already well versed with the reported speech. However, still those who do not have much command on it, this is for them. And please stop me in case you face any problem. If you think that I'm going too fast, or if any particular word isn't clear to you. Okay. So as a topic, reported speech, it generally talks about the person's way of conveying an idea in a different surrounding altogether. So if I am right now teaching to you people, if you convey this idea to your friends further, or to your parents, that how I taught, your speech will be considered as a reported speech, because you are conveying my words to your parents or to your friends. So that is reported speech. Another name of the words, these things are indirect speech or the narration. Okay. Now, there are certain rules that govern reported speech. Okay, so we would take a little bit help from tenses, and it's good that if you have a good base of verbs in it, then it would certainly be more helpful to understand reported speech. Firstly, I'll discuss some of the jargons or important words which will play an important role in understanding reported speech. So let's look at this dialogue. Yash said, I am thirsty. Okay. So here, Yash is the speaker of the sentence. Said is called as a reporting verb, or in short, I consider it as RV. And when I say the part in between the inverted dialogues, that is called as the reporting dialogue. Okay. There is an alteration to this when we have the speaker along with the listener. So here Abhinav is the listener. Okay. And then the another part is the reporting dialogue in form of a question. So this becomes a reporting dialogue. Now, as you must have observed, that reporting dialogue is coming in two different forms. The first being the first sentence where Yash said, I'm thirsty, that is called as an assertive statement. And the second one would be called as an interrogative statement. So there are different rules governing different types of sentences or statements here. Okay. Now, let's understand how we change them. So when I say Yash said, the first one only, Yash said, I am thirsty. When you're converting this particular sentence into indirect speech, it will be Yash said that. So the first hint is, whenever you are converting a direct speech to indirect, you have to include a that in assertive statements. Okay. So this is the first rule, that inverted commas will be off and intrusion of that will be there. Okay. Now what will happen to the reported dialogue? The reporting dialogue, of course, would not have those inverted commas, but the rule which the sentence will go is as per the tense. Okay. Or I would say precisely as verbs, you have to keep a vigilant eye on the verbs which is being used over here. It can be helping verb or the main verb. Both the verbs play a major role. So if in the reporting dialogue or RD, the reporting verb is verb first form, it will be changed to, sorry, it will be changed to verb's second form. So for example, if you have seen that there is go in the dialogue, reporting dialogue, then it will change to second form, which will turn out to be went. Yeah. Similarly, if you notice a helping verb, which is a form of be, that is, am, or are, then of course it will undergo a change and it will become
Was were.
correct. That's was, were. So that turns out to be our first equation if you, compare it with maths, or you just want to make a terminology out of it. So this is the first equation. Now the second equation says that if you notice verb second form in the reporting dialog, it will undergo a change and will become had plus V3. Sorry, V3. So if I'll take the example from the above one only. So if you notice a went in the reporting dialog, it will change to had gone. Okay. And if you notice a was, were in the reporting dialog, it will change to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vidya? Yes, Abhinav?
Ma'am, if there is a sentence that he said I was thirsty, so ma'am, how it will be changed?
He had been thirsty.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this becomes your second equation. So it will come like zigzag V1 to V2, V2 to had plus V3. Okay. Now shifting to, I'll just shift here so that you can see the things on the same screen. So just give me a moment. So I'll create another contrast here. Now picking up from the second equation, we have hat plus V3. For this, there is no change. So if the sentence has reached the past perfect, that is the destination of a reported speech. So there would not be any change further. This is the destination. So it would not go any further. Apart from that, if you notice has plus V3, it will also get culminated into had plus V3. Okay. Or if you notice has been, it will change to had been. Such are the basic rules of reported speech. Verb change. This is about the verb. Okay. Now the rules that govern the, I would say, subject. Okay. Now what is a subject? First of all, we will understand words like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, which generally occupies the space in the reporting dialogue. Like it's written, I am thirsty. So I is a subject, and then can you give me something to drink? Okay, so now here you is a object. So we have to determine how it will undergo a change. So if we notice a subject in say first person in there, okay, it has to be changed into third person. Just like the destination of the verbs is had gone, sorry, had plus V3, the destination of the subject is generally third person. Okay, so third person, subject first person is we or I. So it will change to he, she, it, or they. So here it's written, Yash said, I am thirsty. Okay, we can very well make out by looking at the helping verb over there. That is, am will change to was. And now the subject. So I is there, it will change to he, depending upon what is the gender of the speaker. Here, speaker is a male. So we will change it to Yash said that he was thirsty. The simplest one. Okay. And if you have you, okay, in the subject line, so either it will remain you, okay, there are possibilities of keeping it to you, or again the third person, that is he, she, or it. This is the second possibility. And just like had plus V3 does not change, so if you find the subject in the third person, it will also not undergo any change. No change. This is the case followed when there is only speaker in the sentence. The first case, Yash said, I'm thirsty. This will be followed there only. But when an object is also introduced, like Yash said to Abhinav, now the situation changes a little bit. How it will change, let me direct you. Only in terms of subject I'm referring to, rest verb side will remain same. So let me put it across here. So Yash said to Abhinav. For making it easier, I'm picking up again an assertive sentence. You
Give me something to drink.
you give me something to drink. Thanks for helping out, Abhinav. So here, Yash is speaker and Abhinav is the object, right? Speaker and the listener. So listener is generally is the one who's receiving your actions. Okay, here you is also referring to Abhinav. So if I would hide you, it will become Abhinav, give me something to drink. Okay, so here Yash
Yes, told Abhinav that.
said to changes to told. Yeah, this is also a rule that said to as a reporting verb will change to said, sorry, told Abhinav that. Now you is the second person. As I've
He
told,
gave me.
yes, destination of the second person is always the third person. So that he,
He gave him
Give
now
him
me, yeah, gave him something.
something to drink.
to drink.
So here we have brought the subject to the destination, that is third person, and me as an object has also come to its destination of him, right? Hope this is clear. So if the objects, rule governing the objects are these, if there is the first person like me or us, it will be changed to him or her or them, depending upon the gender of the object. So here our object turns out to be Yash. So give me, so give him. And then it turns out to be, if it is you, it will remain you, or again, if there is a change in situation, you can use,
She, it.
yeah, her or them, and it is left, yes. And if it is third person object, it won't undergo any change.
मैम इसके ऊपर तो आपकी एक वीडियो भी है.
Yes, there is one more video that I'll share. This one also and the other one also I'll share so that you can get deeper understanding. So those who are new here, Anshika, Chaitanya, Shivati, Bhanu, in case it's clear, just let me move further and just direct me, like if you have understood or not. And if it is not clear, I'll just make you understand it once again. Chaitanya, okay. Shivati, okay. Bhanu, what about you, bete? Are you understanding? Are you there, beta? Bhanu? Okay, Bhanu, fine. Moving a step ahead with this. This was assertive, and other rules governing the assertives are, there are small things which we have to keep noticing in the reported speech, like the time aspect. So if the words are mentioned like today in the reported dialogue, it will be changed to
The next
that
day.
day. That day, bete.
तो
Tomorrow,
tomorrow के लिए होता है.
tomorrow changes to next day. Yesterday changes to
Previous day or the day
Previous day.
before.
yes. Previous day. Now changes to
Then
very good.
here, there,
Before, sorry, ago changes to
before.
Before.
and here, yes, here changes to there,
There,
and this changes to that.
that,
Any other, if you remember?
मैम these का तो कुछ change नहीं होता था. These
ना
to
ना
those.
बिल्कुल होएगा. These changes to
Bana?
those. हाँ. So models
these,
are
those.
also under the category. Models have their own category.
And could,
Hanji, correct.
shall, should, will, would.
Yes.
Might.
Correct, Meet. Very good. So may changes to might, can changes to could, will changes to would, and shall changes to, sorry, I was not.
Shall changes to should.
And would also. So this is an important area which I will still discuss. Shall changes to should as well as would. Now where
हम shall के काफी कम आते हैं.
But still, it's my duty to make you understand where we can use should and where we have to use would. Now, I've taught you that reporting verb can be said, which will convert to said that, and then it is said to, which will change to told. There is third type of reporting verb also in the assertive sentences, which is says. Says will remain says, okay, or says that, I must say, says that. Once you notice a reporting verb having says, the reporting dialogue will not undergo any change except subject. For example, it says that professor says that
I am.
no, he's the best, maybe he's the best. So
ये
you
तो
can
आपने
change it
सीधा
to,
वो इनडायरेक्ट बोल दिया ना.
हाँ मैंने indirect बोल दिया, right? So says I am the best, maybe I'm the best. So
Yes.
says that he is the best. So whenever there is says in the statement, it would not undergo a change. And if it is written, I shall do the work, it would change to he would do the work. Here in this case, shall will change to would because we are talking about the future aspect. But where shall is functioning as a model, like you shall pray all the time. He said, you shall pray all the time. Then it will be changed to he said, you should pray all the time, right? This is the change that you have to keep in mind. And here it will be will say also is another type of verb. Will say that. So I'll just write here, no change in reporting dialogue except subject. And wherever you will notice the universal truth, there also there would not be any change in the reporting dialogue, right? So now I guess it's time I should hand you over the sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me open up the sheet first. Let's take it for the first one. First one
Yeah.
is for, okay, Yash, attempt it. Nancy said, I may leave tomorrow.
Nancy said that she might leave the next day.
Very good. The first one is the answer.
A option.
Yes, A option. Second is for Shivati. Keshav said, Rita is busy right now.
Keshav informed that Rita was busy then.
Correct. So this is how you have to weed out the unacceptable or not so near sentences. आपको दिख रहा है पूरे options में now का replacement सिर्फ एक ही part में है, then so straight move directly to it and weed out the other options. Okay. Then Abhinav, the teacher said you are
Yes, ma'am.
suspended. Now this sentence is different. This is not assertive. This is
Ma'am,
an
it is exclamatory. So, ma'am, the teacher exclaimed to me, एक second, that I was suspended. Informed me. C part.
Okay, the teacher informed me that I was suspended. But इसके अंदर हमने ऊपर object नहीं दिया हुआ. Abhinav, you are adding it on your own.
D option.
Yes.
Ma'am, hidden है ना?
Hidden to है, we know, all know that. But this is the only challenge with the MCQs. You cannot add it on your own. ऐसे तो हम लोग ऊपर वाला भी कर सकते हैं, exclaimed to me, है ना? या we could go for some other option for that matter. But यहाँ पे हमें choices restricted रखनी
तो
पड़ेगी.
मैम यहाँ पे तो सारे में आए है ही.
हाँ, I है ही और me हम add कर नहीं सकते. That is only giving you a confusion point. Or second hint is this is an exclamatory sentence. So
ma'am, D part. The teacher exclaimed that I was suspended.
Correct. Okay. Fourth is for Anshika. Anshika, are you there? Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Question 4.
He said that he has been a great monitor.
Okay, have been is
Had
there.
had been a.
हाँ तो
The
कौन सा
first
वाला?
option.
The
First.
first option. Very good. Correct. Fifth one for, okay, there is no fifth one, but I'll try to supply more reported speech words, I mean, exercises here only. उससे पहले आप लोग ये reading skills करेंगे. Meanwhile, I'll get those reading, I mean, grammar sheets for you.
Document तो share कर दो.
हाँ, I'll be sharing it right away. Also. So it's understand that once you are in syllabus batch,